Hello everyone! Today we are going to prepare drop-down list in Excel. It is a very easy task, probably you didn't know that it is so easy. I just prepare some basic data for that. Let's take a look. In one sheet, I just prepare the simple table. For each of the row, I would like to just choose something from here. So I'm going to avoid situation that someone will fill whatever they would like to fill. And I would like to choose some option for that. So firstly, we need to create some data for the list from which we are going to choose. I just put simple red, blue, white, black, green, whatever you need. This is only the example and test. So let's mark all one column. We need to choose the data option here. Go to data validation and choose data validation. Now, from validation criteria, we need to change from any value to list, and we need to choose the source. So let's choose the source. Let's switch to this one and mark the A column. This will be my source. And click enter. And now click OK. And check what happened. Now, for each row, I can choose what was defined. Okay, what happened if I would like to add more option? And this was the reason that I mark here all column. Let's put also yellow and all. Switch to this tab and check what happened. Yellow and all was automatically added. That's it. Simply drop down list. Thank you for watching and see you in the next movie.